the biggest issue, the most newsy issue, obviously, is the changes in the farm law and the farm bill. Um, how do you see this playing out?
Look, we have a system in Punjab which has worked for 100 years, which is the Artiya system. It's a system where the commission agents are there and the farmers are there. They have a relationship between them. And the farmer always goes to the Artiya when he's in the moment of crisis and he takes whatever advance he wants to do, a wedding or somebody's ill or some other problems he has. So it's a system that's worked. Why are you messing around with this system, number one? Secondly, Punjab has contributed since 1967. We are 2%, and we contribute 40% to the nation's food pool. When you make laws, you must consult the people who are in this. Now, in this case, we were not consulted at all. Not that we would have agreed to what they wanted us to agree to, like they've done now. But we had a right to put our views there, and maybe they would have thought our views were correct. Now here they go ahead and move three farm laws, and they have been totally rejected by everybody. In my house, I was the first to bring a bill, and it was for the first time unanimity amongst all parties, and we amended whatever the national bills were, and took it to the governor and gave it to him, send it to the president now for his assent. So my point is that there is a very heated feeling here. When you take the stakeholders into conference, you must take every stakeholder. I am the biggest producer and contributor to the food pool, and I'm not even in the discussion stage. I had to write to the Prime Minister that you are discussing an agriculture bill for us, for the country, and I am the one who contributes the maximum, and we've done it since 1967. And you are not even put us on as a member of the committee to discuss this issue. And I said, that's not on. And then by that time, they had a meeting and they decided on the policy. Then after the Prime Minister put Punjab on the board, there was no policy discussed. It was just some financial matter. And then they were told, now go back home, government's taken a decision. That's not the way you decide on such major issues.
Is a middle path still possible, or is it back to either repeal or else?
Well, I have said this before and I say it again, and the farmers didn't like it when I said it, but I say it again, that every battle, every war has to end in an agreement, whether it's the First World War which ended, whether the Second World ended, anything you have, disagreements eventually come, whether they're corporate disagreements or anywhere. So you have to sit down. You sit down and resolve it. And it is for the government to come to that because they are the ones who created the bill with an open mind. And I think if you sit with them again and continue and they get the impression that, yes, the government is being serious about it, I'm sure you'll find some solution.